Umuthi ari thiko ya 49 kuma riria MCA wa wadi ya Dela Anole Yusuf Hassan kuma kaunti ya Wajir anyitirwo migwate. MCAs na Maspika kuma kaunti ini ciothe 47 ni marutite mukana wa guthararia mihang'o ya oro muthenya. Mbunge-ini ciao angikorwo thirikari ndigukorwo irutite MCA uyu kwa ihinda ria thiko 7 ciokite.
Therefore demand that Honorable Mheshimiwa Yusuf Hussein Ahmed is released with immediate effect, failure to which all the 47 county assemblies shall shut down all the operations and sitting until such a time that Honorable Ahmed is produced.
Matongoretio ni muikariri giti wa gikundi kia Maspika a mbunge cia county Kiplagat Sabulei. Atongoria aya moigite ciiko cia andu gutharikirwo na kunyitwo migwate ithiite na mbere na kwihiriria na gutire ikinya thirikari iratacukia.
Despite our outreach to Inspector General of Police and multiple appeals to relevant authorities, there has been no action to date. This is not an isolated incident. MCAs across the country have faced threats, physical attacks and assaults, further eroding the trust in the government institutions' commitment to safeguard the rights of Kenya.
Mwene wake Spika wa bunge ya kaunti ya Wajir Abdile Yusuf oigite MCA ucio ni oritio gwikinyia mbere ya honge cia ugitiri na ugaciru mwena wa Wajir ira itongoragio ni County Commissioner Karuku Ngumo gucokia ciuria ciegemaine na ugitiri.
One thing about this abduction of the honorable member is that the security agencies were not very cooperative, and that's why we suspect he is in the hands of the government.
We are hopeful that Honorable Yusuf is still alive, and we believe the judicial interventions we have earmarked, probably it is not the right place to say the strategies that we intend to employ, but we are sure that, as we had done in the previous cases on the 3 missing Kitengela young men, Bob Njagi and the Longton brothers, we will be able to employ such tactics, and we believe, as the Speaker of the County of Wajir is insinuating, that when it walks like a duck and when it smells like a duck and it squawks like a duck, then definitely it is a duck.
Yes, I'm with us.
Kameme TV gikuhe uhoro gitau wa Wajiko.